breakdown. How could this happen so unexpectedly? What happened, Ahmed? I think there is a breakdown. This is so surprising. I just don't understand. I think you are not referring to the manual. There is too much water buildup, due to which the fuel injection pump has been damaged. Oh no! Ahmed, you and I drive the same truck, but I never face these issues. Do you know why? Why? I want to know the secret. First tell me, what will happen if you don't take care of your health? I will get weak and fall sick? Exactly. It's not about the truck. The secret is how we maintain the truck's health. What should I do then? It's very simple. There are a few do's and don'ts you should try. Make sure you always have sufficient fuel. Running low on fuel can put strain on FIP. Use high quality diesel fuel. Poor quality fuel can clog the FIP very easily. Follow the maintenance schedule. Regular inspection can save you from FIP failures. Most importantly, do not fall prey to low-cost, non-genuine filters. Lastly, water buildup can damage FIP. Loosen the water separator drain plug and drain the water out from time to time. Really? I had no idea about this. Here you go. Now it should work perfectly. Thank you, James. Let's spread the word, and together we can improve the perception of FIP quality and avoid unnecessary breakdowns.